Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your GE washer that is stuck mid-cycle in 2026. So one of the most common reasons for the GE washers freezes during a cycle is because it can't drain water properly. So in order to fix it, you just have to do nothing but to just simply inspect the drain hose or pump filter and drain pump area for clogs that are caused by lint, coins, and small clothing items. If water cannot exit efficiently, the washer may pause and stop completely before advancing. Now, for top load washers, a defective lid switch can interrupt the cycle unexpectedly. For the front load models, a faulty door lock mechanism may cause the washer to stop if it loses the safety lock during the operation. Now, if heavy items like towels or blankets gather on the one side, the washer may stop itself to avoid damaging the internal components. So in this case, you just have to simply pause the cycle, rearrange the load evenly, and then simply restart it. Overloading can also trigger the repeated mid-cycle interruptions. So you can do these steps and you will see that your GE washer will start working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.